Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So in today's video we are going to answer a secret code for Treasury box, which is Bloom Treasury. So let's go together so that we can answer each with you directly. So here is the interface of Treasury box. So as you can see, like we have something which is like similar to key. So we don't need to like first we have to come on this section so that we can put the secret code that we have. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you may not miss any updates. So let's go direct. Let's come and click this section. So when you click on this section, you have to come and this like activities. So let's click on activities. So when you click on activities, you can see that we have a time is taking tack. So let's click on this section, which is that. So we have to import it like a secret code that we have, which is 1455 1455. So here is the exact code that we have. So as you can see, like we have imported the correct words. So congratulations to us, we can claim it. So we have claimed it directly. So let's go and see, did we get this like this gifts that they used to users. So many users like they get a gift like using this icon, which is like similar to key, like a key holder. So yeah, so here it how it goes. So anything like related to treasury, so definitely I promise to provide it here. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So the code is 1455. Thank you.